Today's financial update, a rollercoaster ride in Indian markets. Key takeaway, Indian indices BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty took a 1% dip each, impacted by ongoing US-India trade tensions and a lackluster earnings season. The overall sentiment? Markets are on edge. Here's the story unfolding. IT and pharmaceutical stocks led the decline in our equity markets today. A sixth consecutive weekly loss for the benchmarks looms as foreign portfolio investors continue to offload Indian shares amid trade uncertainties and valuation concerns. However, there were a few bright spots. How small finance banks' transition into a universal bank led to a 2% rise, while LIC saw a 3.5% jump due to increased profits. The bond market remained steady, with the 10-year benchmark yielding 6.3778%. Investors are eagerly awaiting this week's debt auction outcome. Overnight index swaps and call money rates showed minimal changes, with the 1-year at 5.48% and the 5-year at 5.645%, while the overnight call money rate was at 5%. In a challenging day for Indian markets, the rupee ended lower for the fifth consecutive week against the US dollar, trading at 87.6550. This comes as investors weigh up trade tensions and keep an eye on the upcoming government bond sale. As we look beyond our shores, Asian markets showed mixed performances this week. While equities advanced in Jakarta and Kuala Lumpur, they declined in Singapore and Seoul. Investors are closely watching the anticipated dovish stance from the Federal Reserve and assessing the impact of US import tariffs on regional economies. In conclusion, ongoing trade tensions between India and the US, along with subdued earnings, continue to impact market sentiment, causing a decline in equity markets. Investors are watching for new developments closely as they navigate this complex mix of trade tensions and central bank policies that may lead to further currency fluctuations and equity movements. Stay tuned for more updates.